If you're going for a business trip or traveling somewhere and simply don't want to leave your makeup items behind, then you can easily rely on travel cosmetic bags to store your precious possessions. These bags are compact and portable, and they come in different shapes, sizes, and exclusive designs to give you that luxurious feeling even when you're traveling. They easily store makeup items and cosmetics, and you can carry them with you anywhere and achieve a flawless makeup look anytime you want. So in today's video, we came up with the 5 best travel cosmetics bags, which will take care of your makeup items and your worries on the go. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
While traveling, you always need to make sure that the bags you're carrying easily get through the security check without causing any hassle, which is why choosing a transparent bag for your makeup products will go a long way. The Packism Clear Cosmetic Bag spares you the hassle while storing cosmetics quite efficiently. This bag is a TSA 311 Liquids Rule approved bag, which also helps to speed through security screening. It's made of 0.5mm thick transparent PVC, allowing you to spot your items easily. The reinforced seams prevent the bag from splitting easily, reducing the leak of liquids from out of the bag. It's a quart-sized bag which stores cosmetics and other small stuff and accessories quite well. The sturdy zipper also follows the TSA 311 resealable bag requirement, and it glides closed smoothly and firmly. The bag has a bigger top opening, allowing you to access your items easily. It's a lightweight and portable bag, and the transparent feature makes it a convenient option for you. The bag is also reusable so you can store your items and travel worry-free. The Packism Clear Cosmetic Bag has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this bag as it comes in a perfect size to store things and is a great option for traveling, but some of them were not satisfied with this product. Let's check out the ratings for this traveling cosmetic bag. If you love patterns and are willing to choose a makeup bag which will add to your elegance, then the Wuhua Gold Pattern Cosmetic Bag is the best choice for you. This bag is made of a double-layer PU with laser special hollow-out workmanship. It has a gold nylon zip which gives it a unique design compared to other regular cosmetic bags. The exclusive design of this bag makes you stand out in the crowd. You can easily store cosmetics and small accessories in this bag while you're traveling. It is also suitable for storing masks, credit cards, jewelry, and other portable items. The bag also stores makeup brushes and keeps your cosmetics organized and protected. This bag comes with a high-quality anti-rust metal zipper. It is durable, easy to clean, and doesn't get damaged easily. It also has an internal zipper pocket for your convenience. The Wuhua Gold Pattern Cosmetic Bag has earned quite a number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this bag as it looks beautiful and stores makeup items quite well, holding its structure, but some of them said that the bag didn't quite work for them. It's time to check out the ratings for this travel cosmetic bag. Our next pick for today is the NiceEbag Travel Cosmetic Bag, which comes with a smart design to store your cosmetics and accompany you whenever you're traveling. The bag is made of durable, high-quality PU leather. It has built-in foam, which makes the top and bottom padded, and the dividers inside of the bag are surrounded by a removable hard plastic for keeping up the shape. The smart design includes removable sponge dividers, which you can rearrange and use to store your cosmetics efficiently. The hard plastic surrounding the dividers provide protection to the makeup items stored inside. It's a multifunctional bag, so you can take out the hard shell and store items in there. The bag has a zipper sandwich and pocket for holding makeup brushes. The dual zippers provide easy access, while the large capacity enables you to store cosmetics and other accessories and items without any hassle. On top of that, the bag is lightweight and comes with a handle for ease of use. This travel cosmetic bag has earned thousands of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. They love this product as it comes in a perfect size with sturdy features and stores cosmetics quite efficiently, but some of them complain that the bag has a strong smell. Let's rate this product. If you're looking for a travel makeup bag which will allow you to customize the space according to your desire, the MONSTINA Professional Travel Makeup Bag might be the great option that you can consider. It's a high-quality cosmetic case which is made of Oxford cloth. The nylon handle of this bag offers a strong bearing, which makes this bag a handy option for you. You can use it as a tote or an electronic bag as well. This travel makeup bag has adjustable padded dividers, allowing you to organize and store different sizes of cosmetics as well as hair straighteners. The separate compartment keeps your makeup items clean and tidy, and the elastic slot inside the makeup bag can store longer makeup brushes as well. It's a lightweight bag which comes with SBS zipper. It has lid fixing strap, and the bag has a large capacity to store all your favorite cosmetics. It's environmentally friendly, durable, waterproof, and quake-proof as well. The MONSTINA Professional Travel Makeup Bag has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, users love this product as it comes with an interchangeable compartment, and the product is quite convenient for traveling situations, but some of them were disappointed with the product. Time to rate this travel cosmetic bag. The Relavel Travel Makeup Train Case is our best pick for today's video, which is a highly popular travel cosmetic bag among users. This bag is made of premium quality Oxford fabric and lining nylon. It is a multifunctional makeup bag which you can use to store not only cosmetics but also jewelry, accessories, and other portable essentials. This makeup bag has enough space to hold different makeup items. It has adjustable compartments so you can keep everything clean and tidy inside the bag. It also has separate slots for storing makeup brushes, making it a convenient option for you. The bag has a two-way zipper and a wide handle for ease of use. It's a suitable option for makeup artists as well as beginners. It is a portable and lightweight, and additionally, the bag is water and shockproof as well. The Relavel Travel Makeup Train Case has earned a massive number of user reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. Users love this bag as it is sturdy and allows efficient organizing of cosmetics. But some of them complain that they didn't quite like the product. Let's check out the ratings. Those were our top 5 best travel cosmetic bags. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.